here to show you a quick tour of our classroom. So we are in the green hall this year. Behind me is our library and writing station. There's certain things I'm still working on. One of those things is a system that will allow half of us to be seated at our desk and the other half to spread out around the room comfortably using yoga mats that some of your parents helped fund through a Donors Choose. Also joining us this year is our student intern from the U of A, Miss Jott. Say hi.
Hi.
We're so excited to have you this year. Bye, guys.